Hi guys, so today I'm gonna teach you or I'm gonna show you on where you can find the payment setting. For example, for this store, the payment method options are cash and card. So if you would like the card to be removed or you want it to be disabled because you just wanted to receive cash for today, so you need to log into Mucho Taste, log into your Mucho Taste account so that we can manage the payment method. So the payment setting, you can find it here on the setting. This one on the left corner, you can see the star-like image. Click that, and next to the system, click services and click payments. That's where you can um, edit or where you can enable and disable a payment method for your restaurant's website. All right, so for example, this card here, you wanted to disable it. Just click that, and the red color should be gone. And click save. Okay, and let's check it here on the website to see if the card option has really been disabled. Let's choose an item. Oh, there you go. Yeah, so the payment method is now gone. And if you wanted to um enable it again, just go back here to the settings and payment option and choose this card and enable and hit save. And if you would like this card option to be deleted, then you can just delete it here. This trash bin image. Just hit OK if you wanted to delete it. All right, so yeah, that's basically it on how you can manage the payment method for your restaurant's website. Okay, thank you so much for watching.